Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patwa teacher from Jamaica. In this lesson, in which we learn Jamaican Patwa through music, the song selected is Popo by Spice featuring Nicho. So let's look at the lyrics, and as always, we don't use all of the song, we don't use the sounds of this, we don't use the music, we don't use the video. Just the lyrics to help you to understand what the song is saying. So once you watch this video, then you can go over to Spice's YouTube channel and watch the video, and at that time you'll understand exactly what the song is talking about. So let's get into this. So the first part, the chorus of the song is "Me not trust the popo, the popo." Now this line means I don't trust. Me not trust means I don't trust. Ipopo, I here means the. It's a shortened form of di, Jamaican Patois. For di, it's a shortened form I. Me not trust si, popo. And popo here is police. I don't think this originated in, I don't think this is Jamaican Patois. I think it's from America, popo. Actually in Jamaica we call police, what do we call police? Probably Babylon or something like that. But not, we don't really, we refer to them as popo sometimes, but it's not because it's Jamaican Patois. It's an adopted term from, I think, American hip-hop culture. So the second line, the popo, the police. When you see the blue light, you will get a popo. When you see the blue lights, of course, the lights from the police car, referring to the blue lights. When you see means when you see, here we get a popo, and the popo is mimicking the sound of the gunshots, and yowie, you will. Here we get a popo. When you see the blue lights, you might get shot. Something like that. First verse, that is sung by Spice. It starts off, life shouldn't matter if you're black or you're white. In English, this is life shouldn't matter if you are black or white. And this means it shouldn't matter if you are black or white. The next line, a police in a sight, we not trust a blue light. A police in a sight, once again, the I is shortened for D, and that means the in Jamaican Patois. So a police in a sight. A police in a sight means when you see the police, you can see the police. They are within sight. You can see them. The police in a sight. We not trust the blue light. Once again, we don't trust the blue light. Get pull over. You have to pray if you see another day light. Get pull over. I think that's pretty much English. You're pulled over by the cops. You have to pray if you see another day light. This means you have to pray to see another day light. Another daylight, we in Jamaica we refer to daylight as morning or the other day, and fisi means to see. Now this here is important. Yafi is the contracted form of yo afi, and this means in English you have to. Yafi, yo afi, and it means you have to. So get pull over, you have to pray. You have to pray. You have to pray. Fisi, to see another daylight, another day. Next, black people get a fight, either dead or indict. Black people get a fight. To get a fight means there are many obstacles in your way unnecessarily and deliberately put there. Like black people get a fight. When you get a fight, somebody is deliberately trying to prevent you from doing what you need to do or achieving your goals, that kind of thing. And it says either dead or indict. That means that's what's going to happen if when you see the popo. Either dead, either means either. So either you die like you're killed, or indict like, you're charged with something. And next, Spice says, call the government, call the president. And of course, call like get the attention of, that kind of call. And the government is the government, the president. The in Jamaican Patois is the. We need a law to reinvent, to represent, and to prevent the killing of the innocent man, woman, adolescent. So, we means we need a law to reinvent, to represent, and to prevent the killing of the innocent man, woman, adolescent. And woman is how we say woman in Jamaican Patois. Woman. Next, cause Black Lives Matter, we are no accident. Cause means because. It's the shortened form of because. Black Lives Matter. And once again, matter in Jamaican Patois, matter. We are no accident. We are no means we are not. We are not accidents. The next verse says, them no do equality, them see we as a quantity. Them no do equality, they don't do equality. Them see we as a quantity, they see us as numbers, as a statistics, as numbers, basically. Them kill from city to city, burn up police brutality. They kill from city to city, burn up police brutality. Burn up in Jamaican Patois is a way of saying, of bringing attention to something that you are against. So the whole fire burn and burn up and burn and all of that. The thing is, fire can be seen as a form of destruction, but in this case, when we talk about burn, let things burn up or whatever, it's purification. So it's to bring attention to and to show that we're against him. And after such a history, them still have the audacity. And after such a history, I think it's referring to Black history, them still have the audacity. They still have the audacity. After all that's happened in history, they still have the audacity. If treat we with hostility, to treat us with hostility, them no protect community. They don't protect the community. And the next verse, Black man, hold your sanity. Keep a strong mentality. Black man, hold your sanity. Hold. Hold means hold. Or hold on to, or protect. So, Black man, hold your sanity. Black man, hold on to your sanity. Keep a strong mentality. Keep your head strong. Try to keep, try not to let it affect you mentally, basically. A full time, we get clarity, crush them with solidarity. A full time means it's about time. It's about time. A full time we get clarity. It's about time we got some clarity. Crush them with solidarity. Crush them means to overcome or to overpower, that kind of thing. Crush them with solidarity. Like come together and then we can overcome, that kind of idea. We not have security with no assurity. We don't have security with no assurity. We need change rapidly, too much police conspiracy. We need change rapidly. We need a change, too much police conspiracy. And too much, if we're saying it in Jamaican Patois, the two becomes shortened, so it's too much. Too much police conspiracy, too much. There's too much police conspiracy. Okay, well, that takes us to the end of the portion of lyrics that I'm going to translate. It's basically the entire lyrics of the song, but of course the lyrics get repeated and the chorus is repeated and all of that. So now that you know what these lyrics mean, maybe now you can understand the song a little better and enjoy it a little bit better. So that takes us to the end of this lesson, Learn Jamaican Patois through music. I hope you found it helpful, and please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.